Now we'll be forming the chair using the created objects. Select the back of the chair. In the Control panel, choose the function Polygon and select the outside polygon of the chair's back. Select the outside polygons using the tool Move and align the shape relative to the soft part. Remove the selection from the first polygon and select the next one, repeating the actions. Select all groups and use the tool Ungroup. Using the mouse cursor, select all cylinders and merge objects. Repeating the actions. Now let's choose a color for the rectangle using the function Color. Select the lateral support and scale it using the tool Scale. Select all the objects on the scene and use the tool Rotate and rotate it by 90 degrees.